Hello guys, today we are going to lay out a very special video in this beautiful sunny South Wales. Look at that, beautiful day outside today. Perfect for all my modelling desires. Anyway, we've got all the stock we want. All the stock we're going to use, is on the track already, as you can see here. We've got ballast trains, which will be in another video later because they've already been in a few videos, and we've got some passenger stuff. We need to shift some of this freight stock so that we've got room to put these. So we're just going to move some of this around just so that we can get all the freight cars back together, and so that we can carry on with the video. The theme of today is diesels, so we're going to move some of these wagons as well that aren't being used, just to clear some space around the layout. Now, we'll move the parcel coaches as well. That way we've got a bit more up here. Put them here for now so we don't thingy. Right, anyways, on with the video. Today we have got we got the Class 87 waiting to go with its passenger coaches coming in the form of Mark IIs only, because we're not unboxing all the Mark. Actually, we've got Mark IIIs that are unboxed, so we can actually use them with it. So what I'm going to do is just get we'll get we'll get the other we'll get two of the coaches out, but we won't get the other one out because you just simply can't have two. It'd be simply too awkward to get out and put back in again. But we will use the DT to make it more realistic. So yeah, we will be using two other coaches, which we'll unbox after. But for now, we're going to carry on with the video. We'll start setting up that one. No, we'll set that one up after we've done this one first. But yeah, we've got another loco coming out. The 37 is just staying there for obvious reasons. Yeah, this will be part of two videos. Anyway, we've wasted enough time. Sorry about that, but yeah, this is the ScotRail and First Great Western, which is on a sleeper train. With all the First Great Western ones at the front and the sleeper coach. Oh! Derailment. Derailment again. As usual. God damn it. It's always the same coaches in the same place. Hang on, let me just adjust the coaches. Oh god. Now we've got a coupling where we don't want a coupling to occur. God damn it, Formby. Coaches, get your shits together. Hang on, let me put it in the other direction. Oh, we've still got a derailment. God damn it. Shit. That is all I needed. All the coaches. Oh great. It's just dislodged this coach, why not? And let's dislodge the axle. Back. That is a fail right there. Now I'm missing one bogie and I'm missing the body shell. The body shell is fine. Managed to cover that. Now I need to find the trailing bogie on this one so I can actually put the damn thing back on. Because when when it fell, it yanked the whole train and the as usual, making my job of re-railing everything 10 times harder, because I have to now find said coach motor, which is here, luckily. I might take the Mark IIs off and just run it with the rest of this Mark IIs that aren't derail. I might take that Mark II off and just the Mark won't be Mark II. Off and just run the sleeper coach set of coaches, Scott Rail ones, and the other Mark II. So I might just run the Airfix stuff on the back here. This is derailed now because of that. The whole train is derailed now thanks to that. Me. I don't want to work this in push-pull, so yeah, that's why I'm not working it in push-pull or with anything else, because it's not supposed to. Oh yeah, I was going to put this on there, wasn't I? And I've got to put the... Where's that one? What did I... So this is too high. What we need is an undershank one. Yeah, we're going to do that. We'll try it with the undershank. We'll try it again later when we've got the undershank, and we'll try it again in push-pull mode, but for now we're just going to couple these up as best as we can and see how she pulls, or pushes rather, the stock. God, let me lift it up again. See if I can lift the height of the coupler now. And stay up. No, does not want to stay up. That's as high as she'll go. There we go. Anyway, we're going to put it slowly in push-pull. Nope, she's derailed again because the points have changed again. I didn't even touch the points. I swear to God, I did not touch those points. Anyway, we're gonna carefully give her power. And she's come off again. God damn it, and the body shell's come off as well. That's the only trouble with this, is the body shell is not tight enough. Even though it's screwed in. I might have to adjust the screw. But yeah, we'll do we'll try and get this running one more time, and then we'll just leave it. And then we'll take it off. So that we've at least had a look at how the KD couplings worked. They didn't work too well, but at least they did work slightly. So yeah, let's make sure that that doesn't happen again. Right. Let's try this again. Full speed this time, so that she can't... Oh! Her back wheels have come off. So yeah. Full speed ahead, so that she can't uncouple. But yeah, push-pull mode, she seems to be doing okay. Right, we'll grab her when she comes around here. Right, I'm going to take this off now. And we're going to get the French stuff ready to go. So all this will be going around. Will be coming off as it comes off. Oh yeah, I'm not going to help you out with the class numbers, you're going to have to work those out yourself. So see if you can get the... Here's a challenge for you guys at home. Try and write down all the class numbers if you can, and see if you can guess which ones are... See if you can get the exact number on them. Anyway, for now we are going to put a set of Corridon Inox mixed passenger coaches together for an SNCF train to be put together. Let me just check the tab-ons. Nope, this one hasn't got them. It's this one. It's the Inox wagon that's got the broken tampon, or as we call them, buffer. So yeah, there's one broken buffer on this, and that's it. Apart from that, there's nothing wrong with it. Mechanically, it works fine with the coaches I've got. So what I'm going to do is reverse this slightly, which is the opposite of what I'm going to be doing. Again, this will be a push-pull train, so yeah, this is going to be a real treat for you, all you modern railway enthusiasts that like push-pull trains, because they still use them in France, believe it or not, contrary to our railway system, where they do not use them still. So ours is kind of back. Theirs is kind of backwards from ours. But at least they've got reliable trains. Anyway, I'm just going to get all the KD couplings positioned once I've got all the SNCF stuff positioned correctly. Let me just check which bogie is the short one and which one's the long one, because we want to make sure that the long one, yep, this one goes there. You know what, we're going to reduce the space between that one and that one, because that one's got a larger cut than this one, so we're going to just swap the bogies a sec, just to make it a bit more accessible on the Jouet. The Jouet one is going to have the coupling on this one, because it has the taller cut. You know what? No, the SNCF one's going to have it, because yeah, it's going to have to be the SNCF coach that gets coupled up first. because of the coupling height, the coupling hook difference. It just means derailing the stock temporarily, but we're gonna reverse. One last time to put the last coach in position, which is the SNCF DVT coach. But this is a real treat because I don't usually get this out that much because of obviously the height difference in couplings can be a pain usually. See, I can't even get this one in position despite having. There we go. Now let's see how well this works in forwards. Oh, not revealed properly. Like I said. Right, let's try this again. We're gonna welcome to this video on modern diesel and electric era trains, featuring SNCF and Virgin and First Great Western stock. Right, we're gonna get this video up and running because we've had so much problems with this. It's ridiculous. Oh, she doesn't seem to be having lights. In this direction. Anyway, as you can see, the train appears to be running pretty well. But yeah, you get the idea. The DVT is at the front so that the loco doesn't have to even run around at all. And as you can see, the couplings seem to be working okay when they're stopped and then moving. Now that I've finally got them patched properly, at least. So at least for the time being, we managed to couple up all these coaches. Anyway, that is going to do it for this video because we've already taken too long. But yeah, there's the DVT, and she is coupled up to beautifully to the, thankfully. And there's no. Wow, that actually coupled up really close. Look at that. That actually looks a lot more realistic because they're a lot closer now than they would have been. Anyway, that is going to do it for today. Hey, for this part. Oh no, actually I've got one more train actually I need to run because we haven't run it yet in the video for a while. Well, we haven't run it for a while, period, and we need to run it with something. So we're gonna end today with a special treat. I was gonna end the video here since it took so long to get all 3 videos done, but we're gonna end it with a diesel again. So we're going back in time now to diesels. And we're going back to the British Rail era. So we're going back to British Rail. There's the loco. I'm just setting up the loco now. As you will see, it will be quite recognisable to some of you that have ridden on these trains. And she's going to be hauling a rake of Mark 1s this time. So she's going to be hauling the old stuff. I was going to do some other stuff, but I'll do that in a video. I'll edit that into the video enough as well, because I've already run some of my stuff. So that'll be included. So that this video will be about an hour long, but potentially, warning. But yeah, this will be a more realistic video. So she's going to be pulling some. Oh no, she's going to be pulling GWR stuff, so we're not even using that. But we will be using that in the next video. So we're just getting set up a sec. Just bear with me. Forgot what I was going to set up with. Anyways. Oh, got a wheel set that's in the wrong position. But yeah, you get the idea. We're putting together a GWR train in various scale, in a mixed scale. So this is going to be quite an odd looking train, but it will look more realistic once it's put together. Tip, that's me. Alright, on with the video. Almost all the stock is ready. Oh god damn it, she wouldn't come derail as soon as I try to put the coach on. But yeah, we're going to be using it with GW stock because we can. And I will. We can and I will. So yeah. If you make it to the end of the video, that video that I was talking about, comment GW150 in the comment section, please. So that way I know who's made it all the way to the end of the videos I've been releasing. Oh god, I can see a problem now. Yeah, we may have to, I may have to slightly change the plan. I may have to uncouple this and put a new coupling on it. Let me see if I can find a coupling quickly. If I can find one of those couplings. Nope, that's not it. That's not it either. What in here? I may have to quickly go off screen to do this. To replace the coupling. I forget about that. They do not like those couplings. They really don't like those couplings, do they? Where's my red screwdriver? Where's that red screwdriver I had actually? That would be better. But God, I can never find something when I want it. I just have to try and use one of these. See if that will fit. Sort it out. That doesn't do. Right, where's that coupling? I just need to put it through the middle. And then I can couple it. God, the joys. Yeah, I was going to use this. Right, there we go. Found the solution. We'll leave that coupling off for now. Found it. Found the solution. I forgot that this has got IMA couplings and that's really closely coupled to the coach. Anyway, we're going to start the video up again in a minute. Once I've sorted out this triangle Holby chassis in coach. So it's a triangle Holby chassis with a body off of a Colette coach. Anyway, there she is. Last train of the day. Just for you guys. Let me just check something a sec. Because this one doesn't seem to be running. The lights don't. Could be a loose wire. Hang on. Let me just check underneath that everything's okay. Ah, that's why she's on the wrong. The wheels are insulated on the wrong side. On this, they're supposed to be insulated on this side. Aha! When I put this back together, I mixed up which way the wheels were. My bad. easily fixed. Right. Let's try it again. Oh. Yep, she's working now. Let me check the bogies on this one. They're the right way round. Oh god, that's what happened. Don't tell me I glued it on the wrong end. I'm such an idiot. No wonder the lights weren't coming on here. I was supposed to glue it this end, not that end. Now I've got to glue this on again. That's fine. It works. But as you can see, the loco works pretty well. Anyway, that's going to do it. Video. Because we're already 10 minutes in. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. And yes, don't worry about the mess. I will be cleaning that up. Let me just turn it off. But yeah, all this will be going away soon. So there won't be much up here. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Right, I was going to say I was going to get the Class 90. Hang on a sec. Let me just check some of this out. Let me just put it on. Let me just take that off. This time it does. It still doesn't move this time when I put it back. I'm going to use the third one. But we might have to use the third one anyway. Anyway, will I use the Class 90 or the third one? Let's just see. Yep, this is the energy one. Now, the question is, let's see if it'll move on its own accord. Nope. Yep, we will have to use the emergency loco. Damn it. And this has popped up again. Ah, fuck it, we'll just cram it in for now. We'll fucking sort this out later. I haven't got the patience to sort this out. Oh, this could be with the tape in. We'll do that. We'll look at that after. We'll have to do it when the box is empty, because we can't do it when it's in and out. See, this is why we always have plans. If something can go wrong, it will go wrong. We're just going to use the 31 because that's the next best thing to using the 47 as a substitute loco, since we don't have the 47 recently. If I had a Virgin or an A47, I would use it, but... Oh wait, we got the 37. We got the 37 City. I almost forgot about that. Rescue loco to the rescue. So we now need to invert the controls once more, and then we can get the 37 Lima on the road. Right, which? Ah, there it goes this way, so it's going to be this way. Oh, and the coupling came off. Wonderful. That's Airfix type couplings for you. They never stay on, unless they're pressed all the way in. Thankfully, we found the Lima 437 just in time. No pun intended there. I think we're going to swap the way this couples onto that though. For no particular reason. But yeah, we got the Rescue Loco, the 37 instead. Now, thankfully these were used with Mark IIs, so can therefore be our viable replacements with Mark things are concerned, as far as Mark III's are concerned, we just need to couple these. The height difference is going to be a problem, though. We just need to get this one good coupling with that. Yep, we're off. This one has not worked trains for a while. Oh, the rest of the train does not want to come with it. Now let me couple these back together, and I shall see you when I've coupled. Recoupled the buffet car. Okay, we've recoupled it. We're going to bring it round and then hope. Or not. Yep, she's derailed again. Yet again, proving the unreliability of the backup loco. Nope, she didn't like that one bit. Oh, we just dropped the tablet. Fuck. Well, we sorted out the engine. Hopefully, we'll be able to get it to run without any problems. Anyway, we'll start this and try and start this thing again. Nope, she does not want to run over those points. Let's try and push full mode. No sign of any derailment so far. Well, you're getting... Well, I tell you, I bring you rare footage whenever I can, and this is rare footage. A 37 push in a DVT in push-pull mode with a lever coach hit on at the front, and an Intuitive 225. Now these both have these pancake type motors. One has the pancake and one has the wingtip version. The slight difference is the shape of the motor and the wheel. Oh, we had to derail. We had to derail, didn't we? In a moment of madness, the train derailed. We're going to swap the ends. Oh, that's why. Loose connection. See, this is why you don't use Pico stuff with Pico stuff. Because they just do not mix the joiners. Right, we will take the coaches. I will re-rail the coaches. That had been when it derailed. And I shall re-rail the 225 as well, which is now also the motor bogie has been shook loose by the crash. And surprisingly, the derailment of the other loco triggered the derailment of this loco, because it hit as it was going round. So what we're going to do is swap ends, swap the DVT end, and put the DVT at the Virgin 125 first class end. I told you I'd bring you rare footage, and that's rare for a crash like that to happen on camera. So what we're going to do now is introduce this. We might actually have... I got an idea. We're going to try and bring this on this line. So what we're going to do is feed each controller forward power. Oh, there's a switch. There's a safety switch being triggered on both controllers. Anyway, we have switched the points, but no movement by either loco. Oh. See, that's what I didn't want to. So what I'm going to have to do is I think I'll have to take off these coaches for the most part. And then we'll see when I re-rail these coaches. Right, I've almost completely re-railed the coaches. And the reason we're re-railing these coaches though is because we're going to put extra coaches on now. We're putting the Lima one on first as well. Guys, so yeah. This is going to be first. Yeah, we're putting this one on this way actually. And we're putting first class. We're actually going to put it this way. Even though there's two coach A's now, we're still putting it on. So now we've got two coach A's with different running numbers. And then we're going to have a DVT up front. Oh yeah, we still got the controllers on. I always forget to turn the controller I'm not using on. Anyway, we're going to put this to the test with the Lima coach. And then we'll put the DVT on. We're having a little bit of a race here now, just to end off the video. Anyway, this has been a very stressful video with Virgin and City stuff. I will see you on the next one, and I will have it Facebook and Twitter by this next video. Peace. Anyway, there is the Class 37 substituting for Class 90. Peace out. YouTube. Oh, lucky I did stop it because we had a minor derailment. The train. And guys, got another video. This is a back to normal now. It's normal schedule. I did something a bit different yesterday. Anyway, I shall upload this video in due course. Anyway, let's get running quickly because we want to be quick. This is a day with triangle locomotives. So these are all triangle locomotives, all triangle stock, with the exception of the Hornby stock at the front, and the two Wren wagons at the front. Now we got the Triangle 80 pulling a rake of cement and open wagons. Oh, we've had a derailment. You know what? I'm going to take this van off and show you the other triangle brake van I have. Where did I put it? Ah, it was here. I had it just now. Let me get it on that area. She is. Anyway, we should put that one over here for now instead of that. And put this one on metal wheels. But she is trying. It's a Midland region brake van again. Right. Yes. Anyway, you can tell she's trying by the way she's moves slower than some of the lean stock. Anyway, she's pulling a nice rake of wagons. We got the sand wagon at the front, the press twins at the front, and then we got a rake of cement and open wagons at the back. We got two open wagons and two more cement wagons at the back. But obviously that's the separator wagons, so you know which is. They're all Hornby or Wren at the front except the last four wagons, which are all triangle wagons. She runs beautifully. Anyway, we're going to get her off soon, so we can get the next lot on. I'm just going to get a passing shot of her from there. Anyway, we'll stop her there and bring the next set of wagons on. Because I want to show you the triangle wagon I bought a while back. Anyway, we're done with that. Not for now. I just got to get the Hornby wagons on the correct orders. Obviously, the backing wagons has to go on first because there's one cut on the. Where is it? Tiger. Where's that Tiger rail piece? Wagon now. Oh, there it is. It was there. Yeah, it's got a Katie cutting, so we can't use that. We're going to leave that at the end. Oh. Oh yeah, this broke off as well. But we're on top of that, because I just positioned temporarily. There you go. Those two are coupled up now. Now we just need to examine. Oh, it's got metal wheels, so we can couple it up via the Yeoman wagon. Let's see if that works. Nope. Let me push this in. See if that helps. Nope. She's not going to couple up. Oh, she's now coupled up to it now. So you can have the Hornby bass wagon at the front. The rake instead. Oh, we'll put that one there. Bit of a blooper there. We'll put that one there. Yeah, put the webbed examples together and put the new example at the front, which is the webbed coupling. Let me see. That's this one. It's not webbed. Oh no, wait, it's this one. The non-webbed coupling is that side, so we'll put what we'll do is put her that way. We'll put the webbed coupling that way. There we go. Now this is the second locomotive that I didn't show in my last couple of videos for this channel, and that's the Class 31 Coco. She has a BO chassis purely because this is a Coco, but this wheel here is not real. It's fake because it's a Trang. On later models they corrected this on me. Oh, wrong. She's going that way instead. She wants to go that way. Oh, she's uncoupled. Yeah, I think we will have to swap couplings. So yeah. Yeah, we'll have to swap her around because they can take the tension, these Lima couplings. But yeah, we want to make sure she's coupled. Anyway. Oh, wrong way. Oh, we better be around. Anyway, it shan't be too long. Anyway, this is a Class 31A, 1A, and A. 31A, A, 1A. Unfortunately, derailed, but yeah. Oh yeah, we were gonna put this on. Oh, we'll put it on. We'll put it on. We'll actually use this one to come back. So we'll just derail that. What we'll do is we'll put her that way and see if the tension between this. Yep, she'll couple up. She should be coupled now. Head into this greenish livery to be Freightliner, and there'll be Freightliner transfers applied later. Anyway, look at that. She's not even struggling, and she's just had an extra wagon put on. So let me just redo the coupling, because that coupling hasn't quite pulled. That's why she's not coupling. Never mind. Anyway, she's coupled now. Anyway, gotta end the video soon. We'll run around one more. Right. There you go. Run around quickly for the final time. There she is. And she is hauling a rake of Hornby and Trang ballasts and Lima ballast. Lima Bachmann and Trang and Hornby wagons. There's the Hornby wagons at the front, Lima, there's the Trang, and there's the Bachmann, MFA and the POA, Yeoman Foster livery. Anyway, I shall end it there. See you on the next one. Peace out, YouTube. Hey guys, this is the second part of layout update number 4. Was meant to be one part, but anyway, I shall now run the train and explain what we have here. But you can see what we have from the coaches, what this is going to be, what type of train this is. This is a Network Rail train. This is just a set of random coaches I had acquired. This is the generator vehicle, and this is the TGS in new measurement train livery. And I shall bring these around a few times. And there's the DCC fitted 37. Now you're probably wondering, what is it powered on? It is literally powered by that controller there. That controller is controlling the DCC loco, because it is a DC one originally. So it can work on either system. Anyway, that's enough of that for now. Now, remember the Class 80? Well, we're going to do that, but we're going to do it with a drag. Which I will now show you by moving some of these coaches and wagons from here to here. Move that there, move that there, move that there, move that there, move that, move that, move that. Nope, still too much on there. Move that over there, carefully, carefully move that there, on top of it. No, move it over here then. Move that there. So we don't bury this coach. We buried this coach underneath there, see? Anyway, that can go there. Go there, and I'll look for spare couplings hooks for that another time. I'll get more coupling hooks obviously for that. Right, this is going to have to be done in 2 hooks, because we're going to put this one. We're going to plug both coaches into each other. Always plug in 2 at a time. Then we're going to plug in this coach to here. Now instead, now we're going to plug the coupling hook back from the original coupling, so we can use it. But yeah, these are now permanently coupled up using pipe couplings again. Again, these have to be pipe coupled because there's no way I can run them with their horrible type couplings anymore. The horrible Hornby Airfix type couplings anymore. On that rate, on the fixed rate anyway. On the fixed rate you should never run. On fixed rates you should always run with the normal standard tool coupling. Oh yeah, this has got to go that way. That's the Rail Express, the saggy Rail Express system, which now is sagged, but there's nothing I can do about that at the moment, because I don't have the tools to fix it. Anyway, there's that, and there's that. Goes on again, there, in Parcels Red, well, Parcels Red livery. So this is all lame now. Where's that BG? Now, what I was using. Where's that? There should be here somewhere. No, there is it now. Where's that? Where did I put that now? There should be another GUV somewhere, or General Utility Vehicle, as they're called. There should be one of those here somewhere. Let me just have a sec. See if I can find it. See if I can't find it. Oh, there it is. There. The complete train now. The whole train with the old couplings back intact and the pipe couplings as well. The Class 90 is going on again, but this time something different is going to be happening. It's going to be driving with the pantograph down, in the down position, and I will explain to you why it is in the down position after I put the Class 47 on the front. This is a Class 47 diversionary drag, or failed locomotive drag. This is what would happen if a locomotive were to fail. Should it be used on the train? Anyway, there's the Class 90 with the pantograph down. Oh, it slipped. Wheel slippage there. Wheel slippage, that's not good. Oh. Wheel slip. Now you can run two locos, but you have to be very careful that they don't run fast. That the fastest one always should be at the front, and they should both be able to run at the same speed. So. Anyway, this has been layout update 4 part 2. Anyway, see you again on the next one. Guys.